Ever wonder why people love tracking their orders? A survey by 4over with 2,000 customers found that 65% say it's almost addicting. In the booming online shopping era, customers want real-time updates on their packages. Let me show you how to make an order tracking page more transparent and trustworthy, especially for first-time buyers. Our white label tracking page combines data from multiple sources, making it easier to track orders than using different links for each shipping company. So your customers won't have to jump between different websites. Everything they need to know about their package will be on one page. If you sell Printful's print-on-demand products on e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace, here's how to set up an order tracking page for free. From the Printful dashboard, go to Settings, Stores, and find Branding. Choose the store where you want to customize your order tracking page. And now, all you need to do is add your logo. It'll appear in the upper right corner of the tracking page. Contact info, so your customers can easily reach out to you with any inquiries. Social media handles. Think of this as free real estate to promote your social media channels to your customers. And call to action buttons. Encourage your customers to do something like check out your blog or store by including up to 3 clickable buttons. On top of that, customers can get email updates about their shipments by signing up for tracking notifications. This way, they'll be in the loop as soon as we have any news. Remember that tracking information can take up to 48 hours to show up in your carrier's system. To avoid any confusion, informing your customers about this delay in your order confirmation email is a good idea. Keep in mind that the tracking info for international shipments might take even longer to show up. The whole setup process doesn't take long, and as a result, you get a branded order tracking page that makes the entire shopping experience better with a consistent and polished appearance from start to finish. It helps customers feel secure about their purchase and strengthens your brand's image. So my question to you, how often has a tracking page made you revisit the store's website to explore what's new? Let's discuss this in the comments.